doing an update review on the rough terrain crane set number 42082. Rough terrain crane. This is it. It's pretty cool. I did a follow-up a couple of years ago, or 1 year ago, I'm not sure. And I did an update. I think it was bag 6 I was on at the time, but I've finished since then. So the box is very cool because it doesn't just go like this, it opens. So this is 100 centimeters tall or 39 inches tall. It's a very, very big set, and in this video we're gonna raise the boom up fully. So it shows all the diagrams on the box. We can flip it down and we can see. This is the normal model, and then we've got the big ass model, or this is the B model. And that's pretty much it for the box. No need to see that. Now the manuals, this one has a whopping 13 bags, but it hasn't beat the what is it, the Hogwarts castle. So bag 1, bag 2, bag 3, bag 4, bag 5, bag 6, bag 7, bag 8, but we were like bag 7 and 8, no, 6 and 7 when I last did an update. So I did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 more bags since then. And it's a pretty good build. Now I'm going to go around the back and do the functions. So I'll get this seat out of the way so I can do it and show you. So cameraman, get a bit closer. So there's a switch that activates. Sorry about that, guys, we had some technical difficulties, but on the other side there's a switch. We hit it up, you're supposed to have it down, so we hit a bit of a bug. So now if you turn the body by itself, you can see we've got some plates. You take these out, and these have little studs, so you can put them under the actual thing, and so it doesn't wreck your surface, but it's like the blades for it, or pads. Here you go, cameraman or camera woman. Now they will go down. So these are pretending to be the stabilizers. Stop. Oh, they go down quite far, and you got both yours in, yeah? Make sure those are in. Now we switch the toggle switch to neutral, and then on the other side there's a toggle switch to go this way, and then the crane will move that way automatically. But we're not going to do that. We're going to switch that to go back, or you can switch it on to neutral, then you can just twist it back yourself. And then this door can come open, I'm pretty sure. Oh, yeah. Yep, that comes open. Or, oh, it's supposed to slide, I think, or something. Oh. So guys, now you want to put it onto the arm and the winch thingy. So now, this thing, you need to go for the thingy here to go down. But we'll move this back, or move the box. Actually, we'll move the box, because otherwise it'll ruin my plates. We'll move this down so then we can switch that to go down. Then that goes down and that's all remote control. We'll just go down until it touches. Yeah, touching. Now what you want to do is push it to the middle and then push it forward. That'll make this boom open, but you want to have this down, otherwise it'll pinch it and then it might break. Just be careful when it starts clicking, stop. That's the top. Now we go to the end and then we go up. Open. Now it goes up with these two, what are they called? Hydraulics. All that's going out. It's got all these stickers, so Lego is implementing these things off real life construction equipment, so it looks realistic as it can be. So you hear those clicks, stop, and then it's up the full way. This set is quite big from what I remember. Now we're going to switch this back to the things because we need to put the things up so I can show you other things. So now all these mechanisms like these hydraulics will go back up so it's not on the ground so you can drive. Now we can take these plates out. Cameraman, you don't have to, I can. Then they just fit in here like so. Oh, better stop that. And then switch back to that. Keep this on neutral. And now we can turn this around carefully. And then there's an engine. Like the Dodge one that I did just earlier. They go. There you go. Oh, I forgot. There's these doors that got compartments with chains. Oh, the other one's chains. I'll get the other one out. On the other side, there's the same one, but I'll get it out just. Hey, there's another box with chains in it. I'll put that back. So they're just compartments. You probably could have both in each one, but I haven't tried. And then this knob turns the big tyres. Both or all 4 tyres spin. So if the front ones are going this way, the other ones are going towards me. Same with this way. They're going that way, they're facing the cameraman. So you can really pose this. Just saying, this is a very, 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 very cool build. Now, what I'm going to show you is how to get to the actual batteries, because people wonder how the reviewers know how to, or the people know how to get to the battery. So pull that up. Now you can pull this out very carefully. I'm not going to do it because it'll probably wreck it, you knowing me. But yeah, it's pretty much like that. And I'm going to push that pin out, so then it goes down and then you push a pin in, if I can get it back in. Yeah, I got back in. Now it's secured in it. And then that's pretty much it. We've got things here, and this one is actually a gear that is prevented so you can't hurt people by blowing up the motor, so it doesn't cause a fire. So this prevents everything from catching on fire, because this goes, the motor, if it gets too hot, it might blow up and acid could fly out from the batteries, so you don't want that. So Lego's taken in all the safety precautions, and yeah, it's pretty cool. I might show you first. I need to get the boom down. So what I said, so what you want to do is just do the opposite. So go down. It's pretty cool. But I would recommend to stop that and just first push this down first, so it's more safe, because you can poke someone's eye out with this. But I wouldn't swing this at someone, because you might get in big trouble. Not saying I have done that, I haven't done it. Done. Now we switch to up for that. So, anyways, while I'm talking, this set is not good to lift before you're up to bag 8, because if you're not up to bag 8, there's not as much stabilisation. And in bag 8 you put the tyres on, so you might like to see that, but I forgot to film that, and I didn't. Oh, yeah, that's done. So, that's probably tight. I should have left. Yeah. I might actually, just to be safe, that. I like to keep it like on neutral, so it won't get tampered with. And don't forget, on some of the Technics, they will require batteries. This one takes 6, and another set takes, I think, 12. I'm not sure. Okay, now we're going to wrap it up. So this is a very great build. I love it. This took quite a while, 13 days to build. Well, I wasn't a pro. I was still a pro, but I wasn't a pro as much as I am now. Because this is 11 plus set. I really like it. And just so you know, this set is quite hard to come by, and I'm not going to say the price. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this review. Subscribe to my channel, because I'm going to have a goal of 100 subscribers.